Hello everyone. Today's topic is PostgreSQL. It is the most advanced open source database. It is used to store the data in the form for manipulating and storing it. What is Postgre? Postgre is developed in UK Berkeley in 1986 as an object relational database. It is the object relational database. Why it is object relational database? Postgre combines feature of relational, which are using SQL for queries, and with object oriented concept like custom data types and of inheritance. Standards fully support SQL and offer advanced data type and extension. It supports all the SQL queries and have the advanced type for extensions. And it is open source. As it is open source, it is freely available on the site, and we can use it without a permissive license. Postgre information. The version latest table 16 release in 2023. The 16 release in 2023 is the latest version of the PostgreSQL, and it is mostly used nowadays. Community strong global developers and contributor networks. It has strong developers and contributor networks, as its community is big and it cannot be handled by a single company. Extensibility allows custom function data types and operator. It allows the many functions to get operated data types and operator too. Concurrency robust handling of multiple simultaneous users. It can robustly handle by many users at a time. It does not need a specific only one user for handling it. Key features of the PostgreSQL. Advanced indexing. PostgreSQL has the advanced indexing, as it has the features of the B-tree, GST, SPGST, GIN, and BRN index. These are the latest index used in the PostgreSQL for handling it. Data type. It has the data types of JSON, arrays, store, geometric types, and many more. As it only understands the language of the JSON arrays, and it's have the store features and geometric types. Full text search. Powerful indexing and search capabilities built in. Any query or any data we have to retrieve, we can search it and retrieve it, as it doesn't matter the data is how much large. Replications support both synchronous and asynchronous method for reliability. It has many replications on the other side, as the data is big. If the data is missed from the one side or the one system, then it can be retrieved from the another system. It supports the both synchronized and asynchronous methods. It does not have only one method for it. The both two reliable methods are used in it. The security strong authentication and regular access control. It has this strong security. No one can directly retrieve the data from the PostgreSQL. It takes many of the authentications for retrieving the data from the PostgreSQL database. Advantages of PostgreSQL. Open source, no licensing fees, backed by community supports. It is an open source which is can available freely on any of the website, and we does not have to pay any of the money or charges to buy the PostgreSQL. We can directly download it and use it as our convenient. Standard components built to meet SQL standard and beyond. It is built to standardize the SQL. It used to give more modern features for the SQL and for giving the advancement in SQL queries, and more than that. Extensible, customizable through a extension and plan. It is an extensible language. We can extend it by the JSON and arrays format. Reliable, proven stabilities and strong data integrity. It has this very good stability and strong data integrity, as it does not take the unwanted or unnecessary data from in the database. It also scales well for large database and high volume of the transaction. It also good for the database which are very large and the transaction which are too much, means the sending of the query to the database and getting the queries from the database. Now the disadvantage of the PostgreSQL performance. Some cases show slower speed versus of commercial database. It is a big database, so many of the retrieval process are going on and complexity increases, which make the performance low of this PostgreSQL on the SQL and MongoDBs. Complexity. Advanced feature requires specialized knowledge. It is only can be handled by a person who have the specialized knowledge in the PostgreSQL. It cannot be handled by any of the other user as it increase the complexity. Configuration needs careful tuning for peak performance. It needs a perfect tuning with the other for the good performance and good outcome. Supports primarily release on community and third party vendors. It can be, as it is open source, so the anyone can install, which may create a problem in the database. Use cases. Now the use cases of the Postgre database where it is used are financial services, geospatial, web application, scientific research and government. In financial services, it is used for transaction processes and data warehousing. Where in financial processes in banking, where there are too many transactions, here the PostgreSQL are used. Geospatial use mapping and location based services. The GPS uses the PostgreSQL for mapping and showing the good result for the location. Web application, CMS and e-commerce platform, where the web application where the e-commerce are the part, then the Postgre is used. Scientific research, data analysis and simulation, where in scientific research where we have to analyze the data and give the outcome, at that time the PostgreSQL is used. Government, public data management and services. In government, as the many of the user many of the peoples are the are store their data in the database, so PostgreSQL is needed there. Conclusion. Powerful. It is powerful database as offer advanced versatile database solution, as it is offer many advanced things and versatile database solution, and it is very powerful, reliable, proven stability, suitable for many industries. It is suitable for the many large scale industry where there is a large database we have to handle. Community driven, continuously involving through global collaboration. It is used for global collaboration, as many other countries also collab and work together, so there the PostgreSQL is needed. Next steps. Consider PostgreSQL for upcoming database project. We can use PostgreSQL for very upcoming project. The PostgreSQL is real-timely used for the Uber, Netflix, Amazon, like the biggest company in the India, where the data is daily updated and the large amount of this data is stored in the database. They uses this type of PostgreSQL for enhancing their storage and for giving the best outcome or the best result for the customers. This is all about the key points of the PostgreSQL, as it is very useful for us and it is useful in many companies as a real time. Thank you.